Performance issues like being sluggish and freezing randomly are just among the most common problems reported by iPhone users after updating to iOS 13.2. While such issues may seem like really serious, they're actually just pretty minor, and you can fix them on your own without having to bring your phone to the Genius Bar. Hey guys, in this video, I will show you what to do if your iPhone becomes sluggish and freezes randomly. First solution: force restart your iPhone. Performance issues are often due to system glitches. Thus the most logical thing that you have to do if this is happening to your device, is to do the forced restart. It's a simulated battery removal that refreshes your iPhone's memory, and reload all its applications and services. Quickly press and release the volume up button, and then the volume down button. The moment you release the volume down button, press and hold the side or power key for 15 seconds or until the Apple logo shows on the screen. Your iPhone will continue the usual boot process. When the reboot is complete, try to see if the lags and freezes are gone. Second solution: reset all the settings of your iPhone. If the first solution didn't fix the problem, then bring your iPhone back to its factory settings or default configuration, by resetting all the settings. This is one of the most effective solutions against firmware-related problems that occurred without apparent reason. This is how you do it. From the home screen, tap Settings. Find and tap General. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and then touch Reset. Touch Reset all settings. If prompted, enter your security lock. Tap Reset all settings at the bottom of the screen, and then tap Reset all settings again to confirm. Your iPhone will reboot after this. Once it has finished rebooting, try to see if the performance has improved. Third solution: factory reset your iPhone. If your iPhone is still sluggish or freezes randomly after the previous solution, then it's time to reset your iPhone. A reset should be able to fix this problem, but before you actually do that, make sure to create a backup of your important files as they will be deleted. When ready, follow these steps to reset your iPhone. From the home screen, tap Settings. Find and tap General. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and then touch Reset. Tap Erase all contents and settings. Tap Erase now. If prompted, enter your security lock. Tap Erase iPhone at the bottom of the screen. Tap Erase iPhone again to proceed. Now enter your Apple ID password, and then tap Erase to proceed with the reset. Wait until your iPhone has finished the reset, and then set it up as a new device. I hope that this simple troubleshooting guide has been helpful. Please support us by subscribing to our channel and enabling notifications. Thanks for watching.